for this video, we're going to do a little review, and we're going to be using the verb I, which if you haven't seen this before, but hopefully you have, I, H-A-Y, means there is or there are. And we can use this to express the existence of things, any kind of things, but in this case, we're talking about the city. So in my example, I'm talking, of course, about my Veracruz, and I'm describing not only the city, but what there is and what there aren't. And over here, you have some vocabulary to help you out, but of course, you're not limited to just these buildings. You're welcome to put any buildings or any attractions that you think you would like to say there are, or even to say there aren't. So in my example, I said, Veracruz es una ciudad mediana. Hay muchas casas y residenciales. En el centro hay edificios, hospitales, dentistas y tiendas. Hay 3 centros comerciales grandes y una universidad. No hay estación de televisión, planta nuclear, o museos. And the one thing I want you to concentrate on is using different ways that you can quantify how many there are. Because we can say the exact number if you know the exact number. Or you see, when I talked about casas, I know there's a lot of casas, but I don't necessarily know how many casas there are. You can use mucho or mucha. Make sure it matches the gender and if it's singular or plural. You can use one, un, or una, but you could also use some, unos or unas. So you know there's not a lot, but you know there's more than one. I could probably use unos aquí in front of centros comerciales, but I happen to know there's exactly 3. So the first thing I'd like for you to do is to respond by talking about either your hometown or a city that you know well enough, using I and making sure that you're quantifying how many or about how many you think they are with the different quantifiers.